It's a little dark out, but I've got the shed up. I gotta finish shingling, put some trim work up, but pretty soon we're getting there. So we got our workshops coming along. Let's go inside and see how he separates a mess in there. My tools, 12 by 24. I separated this half, or not half, but about 8 feet from my riding mower and that. Door on this side eventually. And let me turn this radio down. If I can get there. So our shop will be about 16 foot by 12 or so. Got to get the insulation, which is on its way. Get some drywall. I got the flooring. Not eventually, but next fall, I'm opening this up right here, and I'm putting a whole nother one of these 12 by 24 heading out that way, so there'll be a big opening there for even more room for building airplanes. But it's no joke. Getting close. Getting real close. By this winter, before snow, got a little bit out there now, we should be back to building. Hopefully that plane ain't wadded up, but we'll find that out pretty soon. All right, we're getting there.